वेलकम बैक स्टूडेंट्स। अगर आपने पार्ट 1 देखा है देन यू ऑलरेडी नो 5 मार्क क्वेश्चंस का स्मार्ट अप्रोच क्या होता है। तो चलो आज चलते हैं पार्ट 2 के साथ। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज द फॉलोइंग डायग्राम displays a chemical reaction. Observe carefully and answer the following questions. So students, as you can see in the figure, there is a china dish in which a salt is kept, which is silver chloride, and there is a picture of sun. That means we are keeping the silver chloride in sunlight. That means something will happen because of sunlight. So you have studied this in chapter number 1, that there are photosensitive compounds that decomposes in the presence of sun. So silver chloride, which is AgCl, is one of them. Let's read the questions. Now the first part of the question is identify the type of chemical reaction that will take place. So you can identify easily. Silver chloride will decompose in the presence of sunlight. So it's a decomposition reaction because of light, which is known as photolytic decomposition reaction. So this is the A part of the question, like what type of reaction is this? How will the color of the salt change? Now silver chloride itself is white in color. When you keep it in sunlight, it decomposes to silver and chlorine gas. So silver chloride is white and this silver is obviously silverish in color. You must have seen silver. चांदी किस color की होती है? सबको पता है, it is silverish in color. Fine. So photolytic decomposition, the color will change from white to silverish. So this is the answer of your part 1. Now part B is write the chemical equation of the reaction that takes place. So in the reactant you have AgCl, which is solid. This is silver chloride. You are keeping it in the sunlight, so over the arrow you will write sunlight. It will form silver metal. All metals are solid except mercury, so you can write solid over here, and Cl2 is a gas. Silver and chlorine gas. Okay, so the C part of the question is mention one commercial use of this salt. So as you know, black and white photography में silver chloride को use किया जाता है. So it is used in photographic films and papers. कैसे? सिल्वर क्लोराइड डिकम्पोज करता है सनलाइट की प्रेजेंस में और एक मेटालिक सिल्वर बनाता है. उस मेटालिक सिल्वर की वजह से आपके फोटोग्राफ में ब्लैक एंड वाइट इंप्रेशंस आते हैं. सो विच हेल्प्स इन इमेज फॉर्मेशन. स्टूडेंट्स, एक बात हमेशा ध्यान रखना कि जब आप पूरा आंसर लिख लेते हैं उसके बाद यू हैव टू रीचेक वेदर यू हैव मिस्ड एनीथिंग और नॉट. सो इफ यू लुक एट द फर्स्ट पार्ट, आइडेंटिफाई द टाइप ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन दैट विल टेक प्लेस, वी हैव रिटन फोटोलिटिक डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन, बट द सेकेंड पार्ट वी मिस्ड इट एंड डिफाइन इट. So it happens in your exam also that you might miss one of the component of the question, and because of which you will lose your marks. So you have to read your 5 mark question again. So here I missed define it, so now you can define it. Photolytic decomposition reaction, what is it? It is the decomposition taking place in the presence of light. This is your complete 5 mark answer of this question. So if you write point wise all the things that has been asked in the question, you will get your full marks. That is the 5 mark